Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to turn your Microsoft Word into dark mode. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So you're gonna open Word right here, okay, and then just select a blank document. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to go into File right there, okay, and in File you're going to go down and find where it says Accounts. Okay, you can click on that, and here there's something called Office Theme. Okay, currently it's set to colorful, which is the default, so you can click on that and click on dark gray. And now if you go back, you can see it's dark mode. It's basically just Word on steroid, which looks really cool. Or you can just go into the account again and change it to white, which makes it all very white. So yeah, that's basically on how to change your Word to look different and enable dark mode. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.